Alright, so today we're climbing Lion's Head with these three. You know, Carmen, Shayna and Sam. Shayna, she's waving. You can wave again if you want to. Yay, there we go. So she actually surprised us where we didn't think she was going to come to the Cape, down here to the Western Cape, and then she surprised us and flew in on Boxing Day. So yeah, we've got some activities arranged for today. One of them obviously being Lion's Head, and then we want to show Shayna Mojo Market. She's never been. And then later on, closer to New Year's, we'll do Boulders Beach with all the penguins. Yeah, but I'll update you as we go. It's a beautiful day. Got some sunblock on. Last time we did this, we got sunburnt. Well, Carmen got sunburnt. There she is. Whoop. There she is. Right, so we're probably, I don't know, a third of the way in, not even.
1.5 k's up.
He's already drinking. She's already eating. No, I'm just joking, she's not eating.
Are we only 1.5 k's? How do you know?
So there's the city of Cape Town
Can I get some more?
with the harbour. Very, very beautiful up here. Very beautiful. It's a nice cool breeze.
Uncle?
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you.
Onward, bitches. We're right at dawn.
Thank you.
It's harder.
Table Mountain. All the people. You did.
I'm so dead. I'm going to take like an hour's nap just to recover.
See all the people coming down. What's up there?
Holy shit, guys. Yo, this is the hard part. Come here.
We came from down there and we're going up there. It's going good. Slow as pro, eh, Carmen?
Yep. Hey, please.
Sam and I we're gonna go to a little hiding spot. I'll give you your phone now, Carmen. Just give me a second, please. Let me climb this. Huh?
Just be careful.
Yeah. Yes, I hope I still fit through. I hope I still fit through this gap.
Gosh,
That was a big fall, eh?
Huh?
It was a big fall.
I know, I remember last time it was a big. Hey! No, really, I'm gonna.
We got it.
Yeah. We got off it here, eh? Holy shit. What's up? I'm gonna get up here.
Let's move up a little bit, please. Remember,
What's up? Welcome.
wasn't it almost exactly a year ago that we took a photo here?
Yeah, we took a photo here. What's up? So there's Table Mountain. A bit of a drop. How much is that? Like 4 meters.
Enough to crunch a few buns.
Yeah.
Just enough.
There's the port. There's Shayna. Shayna? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go back and then Shayna can come in here. Oh.
Take your time, you're almost there.
Okay. Oh geez, like that's probably not the best idea, but vlogging and climbing. Done worse things though. I did it earlier when I was harder, man. And then it gets easier with all the steps. All the way to the tippy top.
Where's Shane? Come, Shayna. Wait. Where's your man? Coming. Yeah.
You're a real nagger, eh?
I know.
Naggy make nag a lot.
Smart.
Almost at the top. Basically. And we're at the top. There. It's here.
We need to take a photo there.
Here's the stadium.
There's Robin Island. Okay.
Here's Robben Island, where Mandela was imprisoned. Nelson Mandela.
Oh my God.
We made it to the top. I don't know how much you can see. You tired, Combs? Hey?
Should we sit there and have some water?
We had a photo here last time, Sam.
Was it you? Was it there?
Yeah. Little butterfly. Hey? What's up? We made it.
This is exactly where we were a year ago, eh?
Yeah.
Except we weren't so unfit and everything back then.
I don't know, for me it's about the same.
You're going to look like one Durban off after this, huh?
It's a sick picture of you with Cape Town in the back, with Table Mountain in the back.
Like a burnt and everything.
Table Mountain, you're holding Table Mountain on your hand.
Where am I going?
Can I get a hoya?
Nanya.
Scale.
What?
Nanya.
What was that?
Nanya business.
Oh. Got a scale.
I got a smart scale.
I really like
Check how crazy this is. All the different people that have gone up here. I mean, like that's a COVID super spreader right there. This rounded wood from everyone touching it.
Yet you touch it.
Yet I touch it. Sanitize. Touch. Sanitize. Touch. Got you. Lekker. You right, Carmen? Yay. Come, Sam. We stay together. Just come.
Sam,
Yes, sis, brah.
we need you alive.
because you like the curry, isn't it?
You've never even made us curry, but
Yeah.
yes.
Do you even eat curry?
What the fuck kind of Chris is that?
Hey,
We
bro,
have
I've
curry
never
not
seen him eat
far.
curry.
Never in my
Never.
life have I seen Sam eat curry.
It's funny to eat so much curry at home.
Honestly, Lex.
Oh, the wind is so nice. It's nice and cold, the wind.
Luckily we have our mat off tomorrow.
Yeah, oh yes, I just hope we're not sunburned, because if we're sunburned, the massage is going to be pretty shit.
No, but actually the essential oils actually help with the burn.
Yeah, probably. You're right.
I don't think we're sunburned.
No.
Because they put like essential oils and like calming stuff on the skin when you get a massage.
No, that's
And
true.
it also helps with circulation.
Yeah, no, 100%. I mean, like, while it's really, really beautiful, it's very steep and takes really long to do. And coming down, in my honest opinion, is harder because it's very heavy on your knees and it's a lot more dangerous. But yeah, it was really fun. We've done it before with Sam, but we never done it with Shayna, Carmen and I. So I think it was a success. But we are now going to head to Mojo Market. We were there the other day, so I'm not really going to vlog anything like that. But see you guys in the next video. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and cool, sweet, thanks guys, see you next time.